let's look at some more body rolls. The next one being a waist roll. So it's going to rotate around your waist here. Let's start off with our hand in this almighty third position. So we're going in between the end of the bow and the center of the bow and holding on in an overhand hand grip this time. We're going to start by taking the bow staff to the opposite side of the body and do a full 360 rotation over the head. Now take it all the way over the head and then behind your back. So just show you one side on, over the head, round the back. Now, it's at this point here that you release the bow staff. It's going to rotate around your waist and you're going to catch in the opposite hand. So again, 360 rotation, round. It's at this point you're going to release. The bow staff will travel over your waist and you're going to catch in the opposite hand, so the left hand in my case, on the opposite side of your body. I'll try and do one slow. Here, 360 rotation and glide it round. Now the way in which I enable that catch even faster is when I do that release, so I come around here and release, my bow staff is rotating towards the right. I turn my body to the left, so I'm doing this action. And that just helps me to catch the bow staff more freely. So I'm here, 360 rotation above the head, take it behind. Now I want this hand to come as far around your body as possible. Here we're going to release. The bow staff is moving towards my right. My body's going to move towards the left. I take a step and I catch with that opposite hand. Again, let's see one of those faster. Just make sure you've got that wind up, 360 over the head, come round. Now this is a super important factor. My hand is pretty much in level with the armpit on the opposite side of the body, okay? Then I'm going to release and notice how I stick my tummy forward just to help that motion go round, okay? Stick my tummy out, bow staff travels one way, my body travels the opposite. I'm going to catch on the opposite side. One more time.